Hey y'all, get up. Gonna be doing his makeup today. Come on, baby. Baby.
Right, it's so bright.
That's the point. Well, let me do your eyebrows.
Don't get paid enough.
Babe, don't do that.
Mother of God. Ow. You had to put it in one of my things back here. Yeah, there you go.
But it's still not even. What?
No, like Sally, man.
Boy, shut up.
Yes, man. What's wrong with my extensions? What was your other camera yet?
I don't have storage.
Baby, I thought you bought a thing though.
About what? What'd you think I want?
A storage thing? Golly.
I mean, they gotta see what I'm doing.
You know,
I never did nobody else's makeup on my own.
Does that got stuff on it?
Yeah. To do your eyebrows. Hopefully it works. Okay, that's not gonna work. We're gonna actually use stuff. Okay, that's I'm not doing it.
Y'all see the difference in my eyebrows?
Baby, that's why I'm gonna use something else. But I can't find my stuff.
This is the normal one. This is the one she just did.
Baby, I didn't do nothing yet.
What is this? Ew.
Cause you're sweating a lot. $20. I wasn't trying to use that, but I can't find my other stuff. So I'm gonna just use a little bit on the corner.
Hey guys.
Yes, Dad?
Oh, you're doing something? What the heck? What are you doing in your eyebrow, man?
When you lose a bet, you gotta do whatever.
Man, don't do that, man. You don't need no damn eyebrow.
That's what I was saying.
Baby, you love me?
No, I'm thinking what? I see no difference.
Wait, you're gonna see the difference soon. Since you got a beard and a mustache, that is fine. Look at that. Yeah. Baby, you love me.
Listen, I'm 20. I'm single.
You better not. You gon' let's see, do I want you don't have oily skin, so you don't gotta worry about all that. Other places you what is it? Did I put it on?
This look like my skin color to you?
Yeah.
Oh no. I'm so glad I'm dark skinned, dog.
Why?
Fuck no.
What happened?
Bro, this is not my skin color.
Yes, it is.
No.
I haven't blended out completely. Your nose is a little dark, so that's why I gotta put some right there. So I'm gonna show you what the YouTube video I've been watching, right? You be like, oh, they didn't blend it or no? Huh? Huh, baby? You be like, they didn't blend it, no? It's just the lighting. See, look. Now we gonna put the second lighter shade on your skin. Thing I do, I don't use this anymore, but this is the setting powder. I need
What?
baby.
So like top.
That's the point. It's supposed to set your face so you don't melt. Why do you look like that? It smells like baby powder. So.
Bro.
Okay, that's not a good idea. I haven't used that in forever. We're gonna use something else. Wait, don't, wait, look. If you look down, it's not gonna. It's to make you glow, baby. Huh? Okay.
You see the skin tone. I look like a blackface.
Baby, don't even do that. You don't. You look gorgeous.
I'm telling you, I look the fuck.
I don't have a brush, so we're just gonna use my finger. And you see how much pigment that is? That's so pretty. And then you're gonna put it in the side of your face. Because I don't want to use all my expensive stuff. Bro, why is he breathing so hard? Oh my god.
Fucking like I'm dying.
Babe, it's not that serious. Huh? We're not even done yet. Huh? Let it dry. So,
I'm gonna let it dry if you spray it all in one spot.
don't put it on you. So we got a whole box full of lashes.
I ain't put no lashes on.
Yes, I am.
No.
Baby.
Hell no.
Yes.
I already look like a goddamn cokehead. I need my Go ahead, bro. Do whatever. Do whatever. No, go ahead. Do whatever. Do whatever. Because this will be the one and only chance. I ain't doing nothing else. Don't be like, can I put makeup on you again? Like, my phone won't even open, bro. Bro.
That's not true, baby. Don't even say that.
Bro, look, bro. Look.
Close your eyes. Open them.
Bro, what the Bro. I can't even.
You can't open it?
What do you. Bro, this is an eyelid workout, dog.
Baby, it's not that deep. We're almost done.
Bro, what is... I'm a bald-headed beat. Hey.
You look prettier than all the girls out here.
Hold on, I'm trying to get the color words out right. I'm a bald-headed beat. Yeah.
Okay, the last thing we need is lip gloss.
Bro, I don't know how y'all wear this stupid that shit, bro. My eyes literally feel like, yo, this is how I walk in.
The last thing we need is lip gloss, so I'm gonna just use, you know, the basic lip gloss everybody be using, one of these.
Oh, no. I ain't wearing those.
Come here.
Nah, my lips too, bro. My lips too sexy, bro.
I'm not gonna use that much.
What? No, we're not gonna use that at all. Man, look, watch out, bro. Watch out, bro.
Berson. If this man do not stay still, I'm gonna clock him.
Watch out, bro.
You gotta play the part. Look.
I look like the Joker.
We're done though. Look. You look pretty. Huh? You look so pretty. Look, period. Period. Blink. And then we took your hair down. And then shake your hair. Yeah. Pretty.
You better not.
You look pretty though. Period. I did a good job.
Bro, I already know what's gonna happen, bro.
Nothing's gonna happen, baby. Smile. Tutorial.
My nose is itching. I must be allergic.
Allergic to what?
I don't know. My nose is itching.
Yeah, okay, bye.